students, let's continue with the same chapter, the struggle toward freedom, chapter number 15. In previous class, we studied about Vasco da Gama, the Mughal Emperor, Jahangir, and the Battle of Plassey, and injustice of the British. Now let's start. Revolt of 1857, Spear Mutiny. Spear Mutiny was a violent and very bloody uprising against British rule in India in 1857. It is also known by other names: the Indian Mutiny, the Indian Rebellion of 1857, or the Indian Revolt of 1857. The Indians expressed their unhappiness because it was not done by all the Indians at the same time. The revolt of 1857 started over a large part of India. This revolt was also known as First World War of Independence. It begins as a mutiny by the Indian soldier in British Army. It started from Meerut, UP, a place near Delhi, then expanded to the different places of the country, including WB, Barakpur, Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi, Gwalior, Arha, Bihar, and Faizabad. The soldiers were discriminated on the basis of racism and were paid low salary. He was lynched, and the incident sparked off a general meeting among the spoils of the Meerut. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, whose kingdom was annexed by British on pretext of doctrine of lapse by the Indian soldier in British Army, and it started from the Meerut, a place near Delhi. Now start causes of revolt. There are many causes, but in 1857, revolt of 1857, a new rifle was introduced in the army. A rumor spread that cartridges had a greased paper cover which had to be beaten off. The grease was made of fat and cows and pigs. This offended both the Hindus and Muslim soldiers. The revolt spread to many parts of the northern and central India. People from all walks of life supported and took active part in the revolt. After the fierce battle, British soldiers captured Delhi city and the place. They killed hundreds of people. Many villages were burnt down. Thousands were hanged. Bahadur Shah Jafar and his two sons were taken prisoners. The sons were later shot dead, and the old emperor was sent away to Burma, Myanmar. This is some brave leader led people against the British in different parts of North India, like Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Kanpur, UP, Kanwar Singh, Bihar, Liaquat Ali, Begum Hazrat Mahal of Awadh, UP, and Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi were important among them. They called upon the people to fight for justice against British. Next is result of revolt. The last is result of revolt. The revolt was failed as the British has better trained soldiers and superior weapons. Moreover, the Indians was disorganized, and hence they lost the resistance against British. Government rule over India. He was also called the Viceroy. The new rulers also oppressed the Indian people. The revolt of 1857 did not succeed in freeing India from the British control, but it was the foundation of a joint resistance of India in different walks of life to British rule. The determination of Indians later freed India from the shackle of British. The Indian provinces were brought under the authority of the British Raj. A governor general were appointed by the British government to rule our country. So students, have here your chapter is completed. Tomorrow you will receive the PDF of question answers and exercise of this chapter that you will do in your fair notebook, and neat and clean. Date, day, lesson number, lesson name, everything should be there, and revise your chapter one by one. Thank you so much.